Hello everyone, I am Dr. Swati Gupta and today I am going to explain the topic why is a broker required in the stock market. A broker is needed for stock market trading because individual investors cannot directly trade on stock exchange. Brokers act as intermediaries between investors and the stock market. They execute buy or sell orders on behalf of investors and ensure smooth, legally compliant transactions. Who is a broker? A broker is a licensed individual or firm authorized by regulatory bodies, SEC in the US or SEBI in India, to facilitate trading in financial assets like stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and derivatives. Why do you need a broker? First, access to the stock market. Stock exchange don't allow individuals to directly trade. Only registered members or brokerage firms are permitted to execute trades. Second, order execution. Brokers execute your buy or sell orders quickly and at the best possible price available in the market. They ensure that transactions are completed smoothly. For example, if you want to buy 100 shares of a company at rupee 200 each, your broker will find someone willing to sell those shares and finalize the deal for you. Third, regulatory compliance. Brokers follow strict rules set by regulatory bodies like SEBI in India to ensure fair and legal trading. This reduces the chances of fraud or illegal activities. For example, if a company is suspected of fraud and is banned by regulatory authorities, a broker will ensure you don't accidentally invest in that company. They protect you by following the rules. Fourth, expertise and advice. Brokers often provide guidance, research, and market analysis to help investors make informed decisions. This is especially useful for beginners who may not understand stock trends or financial metrics. For example, if you are not sure about which stock to buy, your broker might suggest investing in a company with strong financial performance or recommend a mutual fund based on your financial goals. Convenience. Modern brokers provide online platforms and mobile apps that make trading easy and accessible. You can buy or sell shares, track investments, and check market trends in real time. For example, with the brokerage app, you can place an order to buy and sell shares of a company while sitting at home. You can also monitor the stock's performance using live price charts. Sixth, leverage and margin trading. Brokers allow you to trade on margin. It means you can borrow money from them to invest in stocks. This can increase your returns but also comes with higher risk. For example, you have 10,000 rupee to invest, but you want to invest 20,000 in a stock. A broker might lend you the extra 10,000 rupee and allows you to buy more shares. If the stock price rises, your profit will be higher. But if it falls, you will bear a great loss. Seventh, custodian services. Brokers ensure your shares are held securely in electronic form in a demat account linked to your trading account. This eliminates the need for physical certificate. For example, if you buy shares of a company, they will automatically appear in your demat account. You don't have to worry about losing physical documents or proving ownership. Now, types of brokers. First, full service brokers. These brokers offer a complete package of services like stock trading, expert advice, research, help with financial planning for goals like you want to invest for retirement purpose or buying a house, and portfolio management also. They charge higher fees for their personalized services. It is best for those investors who need help with decision making, market analysis, and want professional guidance. For example, Morgan Stanley or ICICI Direct. Second, discount brokers. These brokers provides a low cost trading platform and don't offer personalized advice or detailed research. They charge flats or very low fees per trade. It is best for experienced investors or traders who can make their own decisions and don't need guidance. Example of this, Zerodha. Third, online brokers. These brokers operate entirely online and offer user-friendly websites or mobile apps for trading. They provide tools like charts, real-time data, and even automated trading options. It is best for investors who prefer to trade independently using digital platform. For example, E-Trade and Upstocks. Fourth, hybrid brokers. Hybrid brokers combine the features of online and full service brokers. They offer digital platforms for self-trading but also provide optional advisory service for a fees. It is best for investors who want flexibility to trade on their own but occasionally need expert advice. Now, the role of a broker in stock trading. First, account setup. They assist in opening a trading account and a demat account to hold securities in electronic form. Second, placing orders. They provide platform either through apps, website and offices for investors to place orders. Brokers enable investors to choose from various order types like market orders, limit orders, stop loss orders, etc. Market order, when you buy or sell at the current market price. Limit order, when you buy or sell only at a specified price. Brokers act as intermediaries, routing your order to the stock exchange for execution. Brokers aim to execute your order at the best possible price based on market conditions. Brokers offer fast execution and ensures minimum delay between placing the order and completing the trade. Fourth, transaction settlement. Settlement refers to the process of transferring ownership of the securities from the seller to the buyer and funds from the buyer to the seller. Brokers handle the entire settlement process, ensuring that shares are credited to the buyer's demat account. Funds are transferred to the seller's account. Brokers ensure settlements comply with regulatory requirements to prevent disputes or delays. Research and advisory. Brokers share market analysis, reports, and insight about stock performance and industry trends. Full service brokers often provide personalized recommendations based on an investor's financial goals and risk tolerance. Fifth, risk management. Brokers offer tools to track market exposure and set stop loss orders to limit losses. Sixth, customer support. Brokers provide support to resolve issues related to account setup, transactions, or technical issues. They help investors understand and comply with stock market regulations. Now, fees and charges by brokers. First, brokerage fees or commission. Brokers charge brokerage fee or commission as a percentage of the trade value or a flat fee. Second, account maintenance charges. Brokers take these charges to maintain trading and demat accounts. Third, other charges. These charges include taxes such as securities transaction tax or stamp duty and margin trading interest if investors avail margin facility. Fourth, zero commission brokers. Some online brokers offer commission free trades but may charge for the premium services. Now, advantages of using a broker. First, market access. Brokers connect the investors to global stock exchange and make trading possible. Second, convenience. Brokers simplify buying, selling, or tracking investments. Third, expert guidance. They provide professional insights and recommendations for better investment decisions. Fourth, real-time data. They provide instant access to stock price, market trends, and financial news. Fifth, portfolio management. They help diversify your investment so that it can align with your financial goals. Limitations of using a broker. First, cost. When brokers charge high fees, it reduces net returns. Second, conflicts of interest. If broker give more priority to their commissions over the best interest of clients, it reduces net profit. Third, dependency. If investors rely more on brokers, it creates hindrance in independent decision making. We can say that a broker is essential for a stock market investing. They provide access to stock market, execute trades, ensure compliance, offer tools and advice to make investing easy and secure. But choosing the right broker based on your budget, investment knowledge, and goals is important for long term success. Thank you.